There are several benefits of having a home warranty. Protection against unexpected expenses. A home warranty can help protect homeowners from the high cost of unexpected repairs or replacements of appliances and systems. Peace of mind. Knowing that your household systems and appliances are covered can provide peace of mind and reduce stress, especially for new homeowners. Easy claims process. Most home warranty companies have a simple claims process that allows homeowners to quickly and easily request service when a covered item breaks down. Choice of service providers. Home warranty companies have a network of pre-screened service providers that homeowners can choose from to repair or replace a covered item. Flexibility. Home warranty plans are typically customizable, allowing homeowners to choose the coverage that best suits their needs and budget. Cost effective. A home warranty can be a cost-effective way to protect against the high cost of repairs and replacements of appliances and systems. Especially if you're a new homeowner or have older appliances, it's important to note that a home warranty is not the same as homeowners insurance, and it doesn't cover all repairs and replacements. It's recommended to read the terms and conditions and compare different plans before making a decision. Additionally, it's important to note that having a home warranty may not always be the most cost-effective solution, and it may be more beneficial to save money and replace or repair appliances and systems as they break down.